Hey everybody, it's Kip here, and today I want to talk about how I use virtual machines in my everyday life. In a previous video, I discussed what virtual machines are, but today I want to show you how I use virtual machines. So I also want to encourage you to set up your own virtual machines to help you learn and explore different technologies. Now there's a few main players when it comes to virtualization. Now I am both a Mac and a PC user. So on my Windows machine, I use a software package called VMware. On my Mac, I use a software package called Parallels. These are both almost identical. These applications are commercial applications that you need to purchase. Now, I'm not pushing any specific product. I'm just letting you know what I use in my life. Now, there are free products out there. Something called VirtualBox lets you install and do the same things as the other products. It just came out after I started using these products. There's also server-side products, all right? So VMware has something called ESXi, which is its own custom operating system running on a server that lets it host virtual machines for you to access. There's also a product called Citrix, which allows you to virtualize desktops and applications. If you know other products, feel free to leave them down in the comments. If I were a student or just starting out and wanted to save some money, I wouldn't hesitate to use VirtualBox. So anyways, here is what my desktop looks like.
Okay, so here is Parallels running on my Mac. All right, so this is my Mac computer, and I've got different operating systems, and I do different things with each operating system. Now, I use Kali. So Kali is one of the operating systems that I use that gives me the ability to access a lot of different hacking tools. Great operating system for doing penetration testing and stuff like that. But I also do software development. So I've got a full-blown Visual Studio running on a Windows machine. So I'm basically on like a Windows operating system, and I virtualize that entire operating system. So for me, I can sit here and write C# within full-blown Visual Studio, and it feels just like I'm on a Windows PC, but yet I can do that from the comfort of using my Mac operating system, all right? So now on a Windows PC, what I'm doing here is I've got the same Kali Linux. It's not the same, I mean, it's the same version in installation, but some different tools are installed. Is you can actually download an ISO or an installation disk, and you can install directly to a virtual machine. Otherwise, for Kali, you can actually download a virtual machine. Within Ubuntu, you can freely just download a version of the Ubuntu desktop. They even have a guide showing you how to set it up using VirtualBox. VirtualBox has a download, so you can just download that for Windows, Mac, or for a Linux distro.
So anyways, that's my setup. If you have any questions, comment, and if you like this kind of content, give me a follow.